welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add Google Maps in Figma. Using Google Maps in Figma is great for UI, UX design, projects, mobile apps, and websites wireframe. Since Figma doesn't support direct Google Maps integration, we use screenshots, plugins on iframe and this. And here's how to use it. The first step is to screenshot and insert. And to do that, just open maps.google.com and find your location. For example, I'm gonna select this one, or you can select any location you want. After that, take a screenshot and upload it into Figma. Search for Figma. As you can see, it's a collaborative interface design tool. Let's go here, sign in, and make sure you upload screenshots of the map. The second method is using Figma's plugins, and you're gonna have to install the Google Maps plugin from the Figma community. So search for your location and insert it in the map. Let's sign in, and you're gonna look for the in community for the plugins for Figma. The third method is to end an interactive map, and you can use an iframe widget inside Figma's prototype. You can also customize maps, adjust styles to fit your design, and use overlays while adding UI elements over maps, and keep it responsive by ensuring adaptability for different screen sizes. Now, adding Google Maps in Figma is essential for UI UX designs. By using screenshots, plugins, or end maps, designers can create realistic prototypes with accurate location. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.